The term rising heat can be interpreted as a phenomenon associated with increasing global temperatures, which has emerged from the late 19th century onwards due to human activities significantly altering Earth's climate. Initially recognized in the early 20th century through studies of temperature records and weather patterns, evidence for rising heat became more compelling in the mid-20th century following widespread measurements across continents. The Industrial Revolution marked a pivotal moment as carbon dioxide emissions from burning fossil fuels began to contribute substantially to greenhouse gases that trap heat within Earth's atmosphere. Key developments have included international agreements like the 1963 Antarctic Treaty, whose primary objective was to limit ozone-depleting substances, which inadvertently helped reduce global warming for several decades. Notable events such as the 1987 Montreal Protocol significantly curbed emissions of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, a major contributor to rising heat. Since then, numerous regional and national policies have been introduced in an attempt to mitigate further increases. Major turning points include the 2009 Copenhagen Conference, where nations agreed on reducing carbon emission levels, despite conflicting domestic interests and skepticism among many experts regarding climate science. In terms of measurable impacts, global temperatures rose approximately by about 1 degree C between pre-industrial times and around 2020, with certain regions experiencing far more significant warming. These changes have had profound effects on societies, economies, and industries worldwide. For instance, increased heat waves have resulted in over 150,000 deaths annually in Europe alone since the late 20th century. Economically, climate change poses challenges to agricultural productivity, insurance costs, and tourism sectors. Yet beneficial adaptations like cooling technologies, renewable energy deployment, and improved public health strategies can reduce adverse effects. In terms of long-term outlook, if current emission trends continue, it is projected that Earth's temperature will rise by around 1.5 degrees C above pre-industrial levels in the next few decades. This warming could lead to more frequent extreme weather events such as heat waves, droughts, and flooding, posing severe threats to global food security, water resources, and infrastructure development. To optimize future projections towards a sustainable climate trajectory, it is essential for policymakers at all levels to prioritize implementation of robust mitigation strategies alongside enhanced adaptation efforts. Investing in green technologies, establishing international collaboration frameworks, and fostering widespread public awareness about the environmental impacts of human activities can collectively contribute to achieving net zero carbon emissions by mid-century.